The corn travels on a conveyor belt from the drum to the mill. After cleaning, it goes to a grinding machine where rotating millstones crush it into dough. It literally pulverizes the kernels between two stones, producing a soft corn paste. Water is added during grinding to create dough with the proper consistency. 3 things are checked in the dough: moisture, temperature, and texture. The dough exits the mill through a narrow nozzle that shapes it into a thin sheet. The dough is fed between 2 metal rollers that flatten it into a ribbon. A third roller cuts the dough into individual triangular nachos. The sheet passes through rollers with triangular dies on the surface. It cuts out the characteristic Doritos shape like a cookie cutter. Sharp edges press through the dough, creating perfect triangles. This machine can cut 6,000 chips per minute, over 8 million in 24 hours. The triangles end up on a conveyor belt that takes them to the oven. Although this process looks neat, some dough is always left behind. But it's not wasted. It's sent back to the dough vats to be reused. Now it's time to toast the tortillas. The triangles go into a 340-degree oven. This isn't a regular oven. It has 3 levels and reaches several hundred degrees Celsius. The nachos stay in for just a few seconds to set the texture, seal in moisture, and form the signature bubbles in Doritos. The industrial oven seals the exterior, traps moisture, and causes bubbles to form, which gives Doritos their crunch. They spend just 16 seconds inside, but that's enough to dry the dough so it doesn't break when handled. The heat traps tiny moisture pockets, creating small bubbles and that unique uneven texture.